So can you share? Can you pass it down? That must be very hot, but burn your mouth, but it's really good though. In Thai, we call khanom klok. Khanom klok. It's from the coconut milk. You like coconut milk? It's really good. This one is really good. I like this one very much. My favorite. It's sweet and creamy, yeah. From coconut milk, rice flour. The topping, you can see different spring onion, you know, or green onion, or pumpkin, or taro. You see this? They have a different filling, you see? Sometimes they have corn, but I don't think today they have corn. This is taro. You know, they have taro. Have some more. Have some more. Take it. We're gonna eat all day, yeah? All right. So shall we continue? This is a lot of chili. Look at that. This is a bird eye chili in Thai. Prikขี้หนู When you translate it from Thai to English, really funny name. Prik is a chili. Naughty word. Prik is a chili. ขี้หนู like a mouse poo, rat poo. But in English, it's a bird's eye chili. Thailand, when we use the chili, this will be gone in the next 2 hours. It's not make thing up, because when we use chili, well, we don't use like 1 or 2. We talk about, you know, really a lot, you know. Chili good for digestion, actually. Good for appetite, you know. Yeah, exactly. You heard about glutinous rice? It's different variety than jasmine rice, nah? It's not the same plant, different thing. Yeah. So the glutinous rice also have own crop, new crop, the colors, you see that? But then also another information that I like to mention. This basket, the glutinous rice or sticky rice that you know, the grain shorter. The grain are shorter than this one. This one longer. Yeah. All right. So coriander, I'm gonna pick it. I'm gonna pick some lettuce. Yeah. Okay. Chef, you have 10 minutes. Have you seen the cooking show? Chef, you have 10 minutes. You see coriander or cilantro? This is gonna grow seeds. Now we keep them to grow seeds. When you cook chili, always like that. You know, a bit of water, not too much. Get some juice on high heat. When the sauce thick, you add the basil in. If you do pork like me, I love pork. Personal like. Some people like it juicy, some people like it dry. I like it dry and spicy. That's a kind of my style. Yeah. Last group in now. Yeah, flip. Mix. Don't make a lump. Keep in mind, no lump. Flip, separate it. Pickle radish. More oil. The chicken not cooked yet. Pickle radish, dry shrimp. And after that, after pickle radish, dry shrimp, sauce and water, use a small spoon, get the sugar out. High heat to cook the sauce. Is it high? Okay, good. When the sauce reduce half from what you see thick, you add the basil, and then you're good. Look good. Hey, look at that. It smells good. Yeah. Good job. He's my sous chef. Okay, cooking instructor, assistant. Basil now. Yeah, basil now, and mix and then turn the gas off. And then you should try again after basil. Then you see the difference before and after. Okay. And you see how important to have the basil to complete your curry. Yeah, mix it. Turn the gas off now. Is it too spicy for you?
No, perfect.
Let it boil. Don't add too much, salty. Put everything in the middle. Let the hot coconut milk cook your curry. To look good, done. The color of the eggplant look cooked. Done. Kaffir lam leaf you're supposed to put in.
Oh, okay.
And then the pepper too. Put it in. It's still hot. You have to cook them more, yeah?
Yeah.
Add the coconut sugar too. I'm happy with your risotto. That when you fry them good enough, the oil, the timing separate, the color look nice. Good job.
How about the same?
Coconut sugar. Your eggplants cooked, basil in?
Oh, it's starting to thicken out.
Yep. Let it boil, more boiling.